Not even 2 weeks after we saw the release of iOS 12.2 Beta 1, we're back with iOS 12.2 Beta 2. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider, and we have the developer beta of iOS 12.2. There are a bunch of new features tucked away in the first video, but we're going to talk about the changes here in the second beta. First up, inside a control center, the Airplay icon on the music widget has been updated. Now it actually is like a smaller Airplay icon instead of the 3 arcs that we saw before. To go with it, there's a new Airplay Animation. When you're going from there to tapping into one of the Airplay sources like your HomePod, there's a new animation that plays out. If you go into the Messages app, we have a quartet of new Animoji. Animoji come out time to time, and Apple's been steadily adding some along the way. They originally debuted with the iPhone X, and we have a bunch of new ones today, including the Warthog, which you can see here. There's all the nice animations and graphics that go along with it, including the moving of the ears. The tongue can stick out, which seems a little bit wonky in our first beta, and I cannot get the Warthog to stick his tongue out. Go back to the monkey, back to Warthog again. Yes, the tongue will stick out on the Warthog. We have the owl, which is very expressive with those large eyes. The tongue is super tiny. You could barely even see it when it actually sticks out, but very emotive here on the owl. The next new one is probably one of my favorites, and that is the shark. I'm a huge scuba diver, so I love the shark one. There's a lot of cool movement there with the tail going on. This can look mischievous, angry, evil, very wide range of emotions from the shark Animoji. And then lastly, we have the giraffe, which does have a purple tongue that it can stick out. Very cool, very correct as far as the giraffe goes. It has that long neck, and as you tilt your head side to side, it actually can move that whole neck with it. So really cool to see these new Animojis, and those will be released to everyone with Face ID and that True Depth camera system. On the lock screen now, no longer does it show the date, and instead it shows the battery percentage. So whenever you wake up that lock screen, it'll always tell you that battery percentage there, which means you need to unlock your phone or check your Apple Watch for the actual current date. That largely wraps up what we've found so far in iOS 12.2 Beta 2. There was a lot in Beta 1, including news is coming to Canada. So that's a big deal for any Canadian users up there. But if you want to check out that other video, you can see all the other changes that are coming inside of iOS 12.2. So what do you guys think of the new Animoji? Are you guys excited at all? Let us know which your favorite new Animoji is, and if you happen to find any other new features or changes down below in the comments.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.